Welcome. My name is Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. Today, I'll be covering the weekly analysis between this month, which is 28th of November to the 2nd of December. This analysis will be very active through this period. So we are going to cover analysis on the currencies, on the synthetic, on the crude, and on the other asset class. So let us go through it. But before we go through it, let me make a short on summary on what CJ Forex Global is all about. CJ Forex Global is a training institution. We train people, we also trade, okay? We manage clients' accounts and also trade people on how to become profitable traders. So our main aim is to help you come out of your losing trade and become a successful trader. These are the things we do. If you look at here, we have our training, which covers both the basic, intermediate, advanced, pro, apprentice, okay? Okay, then on this one again, we have cash flow strategy, the general known cash flow robot. This is our cash flow robot, okay? This robot, we have different range of it. We have the big, the small, like now we have three types of the robots, which is the smart cash robot, we have blue cash robot, and we have the master spring robot. So it depends on the one you are going for. Then another one we have is cash flow strategy. Most of you have heard about cash flow. If you want to subscribe and get the cash flow strategy. So another one is price alert indicator, price entering alert indicator. You can also get it. These softwares that we are promoting are going to help you to earn while you are learning. You know, the extent of CJ Forex is to train you so that you stop losing your trade. And if you're a beginner, we train you so that you can become a better trader. But during the process of training, you need to be earning while you are learning so that you will not be desperate to go into the market to burn your finger. You need to know what to do before you start trading. That's why we created this system. We also have Signal. If you want to subscribe for our VSPA Signal, monthly is $50, while lifetime is $300. So you subscribe, you join our channel where you will get Signal 24 hours, both on currency, on crude, on VIF75, on Boom, on Crash, all the assets you so desire. We will provide the signal on that. Okay, so let us go into the market overview and know what the market looks like this coming week. We are entering from 29th of November to 2nd of this, okay, 28th of November to 2nd of December. This analysis will be active during this period. Okay, let's go. We are going to start with the DXY. Many of you who have been following us for many years have known that we always start our analysis with DXY. And what is DXY? Like I said, DXY is dollar index, okay? So DXY is dollar index, and dollar index means that the dollar is used to wage other asset class. So if DXY is rising, it means that dollar is gaining strength against all the pairs that is being paired, whether being in the base side or in the put side. But this coming week, we see US dollar gaining strength, which is DXY gaining strength. You remember last 2 weeks, the dollar fell down to this level, and suddenly there was a slowdown by the shooting hammer. Then now, this past week we just passed, slow the market, show the weakness in the bearish side. That connotes that this coming week we should be expecting the market to start buying. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you know what needs to be met. But normally you are not supposed to trade DXY, but with this, you know that every beginning of the week there are certain moves that need to be made before dollar will start rising, because the general market overview means that the market is going to buy this week. Okay, this week market is going to buy, but in dollar is going to gain strength. So if you are trading any US dollar pair, you should know that dollar is going to gain momentum this coming week we are entering. So let us look at Euro GBP before we compare GBP USD and other assets. Now on Euro GBP, if you look at it very well, you find out that Euro has been falling throughout 3 weeks now, making lower highs and lower low. And in this period, that last week candle was very, very high. It had more momentum than the previous week candle, and the market never closed them at the weekly support. So that means this coming week we should be expecting Euro GBP to be making a bearish move. That means British pound will be gaining momentum against Euro. Okay, that means Euro will be weak this week, while British pound is going to gain momentum. But at the initial stage, the Euro GBP will make a little bit move up, you understand? So if you're a student of CJ, you know the period and time, the day that a setup for you to sell on Euro GBP need to be made. That's why I need to enroll into CJ Forex Online Academy to be able to learn all those things. So let us look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP is going to make a bullish and a bearish move. Okay, but look at this market now. You see that Euro GBP is strong, while US dollar is strong. So it will not be easier in terms of correlation for US dollar to drag GBP down, because GBP is strong. Why? But it will surely go down, but it will not go down as fast as it will be when you are using euro, because euro is weak. Now look, if you are trading euro GBP USD, you should watch out for the market, because there is going to be a struggle between the GBP and USD, because of GBP is gaining momentum and US dollar is gaining momentum. It won't be easy for US dollar to drag it down, but it will drag it down. So it will be slow. So if you're a student of CJ4, you probably know where and how the market is, what you need to be met before you consider selling. But the general market overview for GBP USD is going to be sell. Let us look at Euro USD. On Euro USD, the market has already showed the sign. The market is at the weekly bearish resistance, and the market has shown weakness in the bullish side. With the slowdown of last 2 weeks market, the market showed weakness in the bullish. So we are expecting the market to make a little to start this week and went down. But you must know exactly what needs to be met before you can consider selling on Euro USD. It will be easier for US dollar to drag euro than for it to drag GBP. So if you are considering the one to focus on Euro USD, because euro is very weak and US dollar is strong. So it will be easier for US dollar to drag the euro down for USD to drag GBP down, because GBP is strong. But nevertheless, the market is going to be going down, whether be it on British pounds, US dollar, or European currency versus US dollar, all will be going down. So if you're a student of CJ4, you should probably know where and what need to be met before you can consider selling on the Euro USD. Let us look at crude. On crude, if you look very well, crude is going to gain a bullish or a bearish move. Sorry for this, because the market is going to fall this week. Let's say it's going to fall this week. It's going to make a bearish move, because if you look at it, the month have not ended. But I believe that this market is going to, based on what has happened last week, although the market fell inside, so the market is going to meet the weekly support. It will be just slowing down because I want to change to a new move. So let us be watching out for a bearish move before the market will start making a bullish move. Although the general market overview for this week on crude is going to be bullish, but the market will first of all make a bearish move to touch the weekly support here, to touch the weekly support before making a bullish move. So if you're a student of CJ4, probably look out for a sell opportunity, a sell opportunity at the beginning of the week, and within Tuesday, Wednesday, you should be looking out for a buy opportunity on crude. Okay, so let us look out for US CAD. Since US dollar is going to gain momentum and CAD is going to gain this. So if you are looking at this market this week, this coming week, we should be expecting a bullish move, but not that bullish this thing. So let us look at this market clearer. Okay, so this market is going to go, that means the US dollar, US CAD is going to make a bullish move this coming week. We are entering, is going to make a bullish move. Sorry, this was last when I was analyzing for my students. So let's look at this. So this market is going to make a bullish move. Since US dollar is going to make a bullish move to go and touch the weekly resistance. So we should be expecting a bullish move on the US CAD or this week. But you remember, it will always make a bearish move to show a sign of a bearish move at the initial stage. Then it will set up and then start going up. Remember, US dollar is gaining momentum this week. So any pair that is being paired is either the US dollar is base or currency or put is going to drag the currency. The direction is so wishy. The direction that US dollar is going is where it is going to drag that currency. So this coming week, remember this week, this particular two candles slow this particular candle down. That means that the new move it will make, it is going to go up to touch the resistance before it will start selling. But look at this general week market overview for this week on US CAD is going to be bullish. Okay, so if you are to be a student of CJ Forex, there are certain parameters that need to be met before you can consider either buying the US CAD. Let us look at GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, British pounds versus JPY. On this coming week, we saw that the market was rejected at the resistance level. Okay, at the resistance level, the market was rejected. So GBP is going to be weaker on JPY. JPY is going to pull down, drag the market down. So we should be looking out for a bearish move on the GBP JPY. Okay, so the market general overview is that GBP JPY is going to be selling this coming week. So if you're a student of CJ4, you probably know where and how, what to do when the market is going to fall. Okay, so on this particular asset is called gold, the gold asset. The gold asset is going to sell, but probably is going to make a little bit bullish. Remember, it has shown a weakness in the bullish side. So that means this coming week, we should be expecting a bearish move. Gold is going to fall from 17.56 to 16.59 gold. So many of you who are trading gold that love gold, you should know that gold is going to make a bearish move this coming week. So S&P 500 is, you people know what S&P 500 is. S&P 500 is going to continue going up to meet the weekly resistance level. So you should be looking out for a buy opportunity instead of a sell opportunity. But remember, the market will make a little bit sell to touch the support level and then gather momentum to go and touch the weekly support resistance. Okay, this weekly resistance here, it will gather momentum. This place will give it momentum to go up. So if you are looking for opportunity to buy, to trade on S&P 500, what you should be considering is a bullish move this coming week. So let us look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ is going to make the same move that S&P 500 made. Okay, so on the same move, because they are correlated in different way. So look at here, there have never been a scenario. So the same thing that will happen here, the market will fall down, which I believe it has done last week, but look at it, it will go down to this level because that's the place I'm suspecting it will go and then make a bullish move. So you should be looking out for a bullish move. Remember, as far as US dollar is gaining momentum, all these assets will make a momentum. Australian USD is going to be on a bearish move. Okay, on a bearish move. Let us So the market has already rejected, it has shown weakness in the bullish side, and the market has already shown a touch of the resistant level. And now, if you are to sell, the market is going to sell from this place. From here, it's going to sell down to this place. So this is our targeted take profit for the Australian USD. So if you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably know what to do. So let us look out for V75 before we end the class for this week. Okay, on this week, V75 is going to make a bullish move at the initial stage of the week, and then closes bearish. Okay, it will close bearish this coming week. So if you are a student of CJ Forex, the general perspective of V75 is going to be a bearish move, not a bullish move. Okay, so if you look at the weekly time frame, the market has already started rising. So it will going to touch to this daily support resistance level before it fall down. It might be this move can take within this week and next week. Well, what we should be looking at for this coming week is that the market is going to make a bullish move and then start selling. But if you want to start making opportunity, start looking for opportunity to buy on V75, and then by maybe between Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the market will start selling. But the general market overview for the week on V75 is going to be a sell. My name still remains Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. Don't forget to enroll into CJ Forex Online Academy, and also don't forget to subscribe to all our services like the cash flow strategy, and also the robot, the price action alert indicator, our account management, and also our VPN. These services helps you to earn while you are learning. Have a nice day and remain blessed. Make the right decision. Thank you.